Meta, the parent company of WhatsApp and Instagram, has reportedly just introduced a new feature in India that's set to change the way you interact with the apps. The Meta AI chatbot, powered by cutting-edge technology, to a limited group of users on both platforms. But what exactly does this mean for you? Let's dive in and see how it works. Just like OpenAI's ChatGPT, Google's Gemini, and Microsoft's Copilot, the Meta AI feature on WhatsApp offers a variety of AI features, including answering questions on various topics, generating text and images, translating languages, and suggesting ideas. Users can interact with Meta AI in group chats to seek advice, request news updates, and even generate images using prompts in a dedicated chat box, all within personal or group conversations. From AI-generated videos to AI that clones your voice, artificial intelligence is reshaping the world. And today, AI is now available on WhatsApp. WhatsApp is not just a messaging app anymore. It's now your personal assistant, image editor, and a source of endless information. But how? Let me show you the top 4 AI tools that you can now use on WhatsApp. The first AI tool is a brand new assistant called Meta AI. It's like a person you can talk to on WhatsApp, but it's very smart. You can basically send anything, ask questions, or start a normal conversation. And it would reply like a real human. Try to think of it as ChatGPT, but it is integrated into an app that you already use every day. So there's no need to open your computer or download a separate app to use it. What's unique about it, though, are the new AI personalities or characters that come with it, which is the second AI feature in the list. With WhatsApp's new AI personalities, you get 28 AI chatbots initially that you can talk to. Each chatbot has its own role and style. The third AI feature is a bit more fun, AI stickers. Finally, you can create any kind of sticker you want to share on your chat. No need to search for stickers, just type in what you want and WhatsApp will generate it for you. The best part, it works everywhere. WhatsApp chat, stories, and even on Instagram and Facebook. Finally, the best and last AI tool for WhatsApp is AI image editing. With this, you can remove backgrounds, add objects to pictures, and even generate images by giving simple text prompts. All within WhatsApp. Isn't it insane? It's basically Midjourney and DALL-E embedded inside your WhatsApp chat. This is a big deal because we can finally use AI inside an app that we already use every single day. It is not like Midjourney, where you have to go to Discord and generate the images, or ChatGPT, where we have to download a separate app just to use it. Meta AI chatbot is all in one app that could change the way we live every day. But in the end, these AI features are just tools meant to help us become more productive in our everyday lives. They aren't meant to replace you or replace your friends. No, never. For those of you in India who are heavy WhatsApp users, you might be among the lucky ones to experience the new Meta AI chatbot. This AI-powered assistant is designed to make your messaging experience smoother and more helpful. Like most generative AI chatbots, users can ask questions to the Meta AI assistant. It is powered by Bing Search and can respond to users' queries. Imagine having a helpful assistant right within WhatsApp. That's the idea behind the Meta AI chatbot. This AI companion is designed to understand your questions and requests, making your messaging experience smoother than ever. Finding your Meta AI assistant. Now, since it's a limited rollout, not everyone will see it right away. But if you're lucky enough to be part of the test group, here's how to find it. Using the Meta AI assistant is super easy. To check if you've received the update, first update your WhatsApp to the latest version available on the Play Store or App Store. Once updated, all you have to do is open your WhatsApp and look for the new Meta AI icon. Once you have access, you'll notice a blue ring in the bottom right corner. Tap on the icon and this will open the Meta AI inbox. Now you can type your questions or use the microphone to ask verbally. Even you can request something cool like generating images. So what can a Meta AI assistant do? Well, this little AI buddy is here to help you with a bunch of things. You can ask it questions, and thanks to its machine learning capabilities, it should be able to understand your requests and provide accurate answers in a comprehensive and informative way. Help you schedule appointments or complete tasks. But that's not all. The Meta AI assistant can also generate images based on your descriptions. So if you're struggling to find the perfect meme or want to visualize a crazy idea, this AI assistant can whip something up for you in a flash. Learning and growing. The Meta AI assistant is still under development, but that's actually a good thing. By interacting with users, it's constantly learning and improving its ability to understand and respond to requests. This means the more you use it, the better it will get at helping you out. It's important to note that it's a limited release for now. The Meta AI assistant is only available to a select group of users in India. But if the initial rollout goes well, we can expect it to be rolled out to everyone soon. Think of it like a super-powered search engine you can chat with. Need to find information quickly? Stuck on a task? The chatbot might just be your new best friend. So guys, what do you think about this latest launch? We're excited to see how the Meta AI assistant evolves and what new features it will gain in the future. If you're one of the lucky Indian users who gets access to it, let us know in the comments below about your experience. And for more AI tech news and updates, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. This is your host, Susie, signing off for tonight. Goodbye.